Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about ways you can learn to be a good friend to yourself. So whether you're living with family, friends, or a spouse, one thing is for sure that you have to live with yourself. And it's all up to you how well you will treat yourself. We all have a choice of how we will treat ourselves. So being your best friend is all about talking to yourself and treating yourself as you would your best friend or someone dear to your heart. So when you talk to your best friend or a loved one, you talk to them with kindness, respect, and you appreciate them and listen to them. You support them and you are honest with them. On the other hand, we are experts at being our worst enemies. So in this video, I'll be sharing some ways you can learn to be a good friend to yourself, because it is important that you give yourself the same treatment, the same love, and the respect. So the first thing is get to know yourself. So when you meet someone you'd like to befriend, the first thing you want to do is know them, right? Before they become your friend. So in order for you to be a good friend to yourself, you need to know you. You need to understand yourself to the core. That is your beliefs, your thoughts, your feelings, your motivations, because it can help you to understand why you think and feel the way you do. Also, why you behave the way you do. And when you understand that, it's easier for you to accept and love yourself for who you truly are and not who you think you are. Also, take the time to know your likes and dislikes, your strengths and weaknesses, because when you understand yourself, you will develop a genuine bond with yourself. The second thing is learn to comfort and support yourself. Your friend is always there to comfort you in times of need. And when you're going through some stuff, they are there to support you and comfort you and try to make you feel better, right? And we know how to be that good friend to our besties. And yet, on the other hand, we are experts at being our worst enemies. Listen, there is no amount of beating yourself up is ever going to make you feel happy or improve the relationships around you. So be kind and be gentle to yourself and be a good friend to you. So how you talk to yourself is very important. So focus on how you talk to yourself and pay attention to the language that you use on yourself. When you find yourself in a situation, try and think of what your best friend or loved one would say to you, the words of comfort they may use, and then say those words to yourself. So the third thing is learn to have fun alone. It's a great thing to do things with the people you love, and it's also a great thing for you to learn to have fun alone with yourself. Take the time and do things that you know you really enjoy. Make plans with yourself and go on a date with yourself. Enjoy your own company, and spending some time alone will also allow you to know and understand yourself. And the fourth thing is stop punishing yourself. You have to realize that no one is perfect and we all have flaws. You should not punish yourself for it, but rather accept those flaws, because when you accept them, you open doorways that allow you to solve and work on those flaws. So it is up to you to decide to be kind to yourself or continue beating yourself up. But I hope you choose to be a good friend to yourself, because you are stuck with yourself for life. And it makes sense for you to work at being your own best friend. Okay guys, that's it from me today. Thank you for watching. If you find this content helpful, then like and share with someone. And remember to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my next video. And let's chat more in the comment section. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.